So this question is asking us to find the area of the shaded portion. What is the shaded portion? This is the shaded portion. So we have here, we have a quadrilateral, we have a small quadrilateral inside of a larger quadrilateral. We need to determine what are these quadrilaterals. Because based on knowing what the quadrilaterals are, then we know how to approach them. When you're given the measurement of one side, it simply means that all the sides are the same measurement. So if this side is 2, the opposite side is also going to be 2. And this side is going to be 2, this side is also going to be 2. All right, so this would be a square, right? So we have a square, S-Q-U-A-R-E. We have a square, which is a smaller one with 2 centimeters all around. The other shape is what? We have 6 meter here, and we have 7 meter here. If one side is longer than the other, it simply means that it is not a square, because square, all sides are equal. If we have 6 meter here and 7 meter here, well, this one should be longer because it is a longer measurement. The opposite sides are always going to be equal. The opposite sides are always going to be equal. If one side is longer and the one side is shorter, it simply means that it is not a square. It would be a rectangle. It's a rectangle, right? We must also establish what's the area of the square. The area of a square is side times side. And that is going to be what? One side is 2, so it's going to be 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 equals what? 4. And when we're finding the area, it's always to the square. So it's meter square. Meter is the unit of measurement they're using, right? So it's meter square, right? What's this area of the rectangle? It's length times width, which is also similar to a side times side, because one side is length, one side is width, all right? The longer side is the length, shorter side is the width. So length times width, length is what? 7 is the longer side, times 6 equals what? 7 6 is 42. And 42, we must put the unit of measurement, which is meter. And meter goes for length, right? All right, and it's a square. So what do we have here? We have the smaller shape, which is 2 centimeter, 2 meters, I mean, because they're using meter out here, so it must be meter in here as well. All right, so we're using meter there. So we have 4 meter, and we have 42 meters. But we want to find the area of this shape here, because the area is the total amount of space with total amount of surface area within this space. Perimeter would have been the distance around it. But within the perimeter, we find the area, it's the total surface area. So we want to find the measurement of this. If you want to find the measurement of this, you must take out this. You have to take this out, all right? Because this portion here is not shaded. So just picture it is a cut out hole inside of a box then. All right, you have to take this out. And if you want to take this out, what do you have to do? You find the area of this whole thing, which is 6 times 7 gives us 42 meter. And you have to take the area out of this. So what do? We have to take the bigger one, which is 42 meters. So it's 42 meters square. You can leave off the meter square until you're finished. And you have to take out what? The 4 here. So it's minus 4. 4 from 2 you can't, so what do you do when you can't? You go to the 4, you take out 1, leave 3, and you put the 1 there. So this is no longer 2, it's now 12, because the one you borrow over here, the value of it is a 10, right? Because the 4 is in the 10th place. So if you take out 1, you're taking out 110. 110 plus 2 give you 12. So it's now 4 from 12 give you what? 8 ones. It's in the ones place. And what do you do with just 3 tens? The value of the 3 tens is 30. So we bring it down here to make it 38. I missed that earlier. Let me go back over it because I realized my video was not showing properly. So this one is 42 meters, right? 42 meters. It's for the big one, meter square, the big one. All right, and we want to take out what? The measurement of the smaller one, which is 4 meter square. Let me hold my camera better this time because the previous time it was not held properly. So 4 from 2 we can't, right? We can't take 4 out of 2. A bigger number cannot come out of a smaller number, right? So what do? We go over to 4 and we borrow 1. Put that 1 here. The value of the 1 we borrow, remember this is 4. 4 is in the tens place, so the value of this 4 is 40. And if we take out 1, the value of the 1 we take out is going to be 10. So when you put 10 and 2 together, you get what? 12. So that's the reason why this is now 12. 4 from 12 leaves with what? Leaves us with 8. So what do? We have to bring down this 3 now. The value of this 3 is 30, right? 3. So we bring it down. So we have 38, which is 3 tens and 8 ones. Right? So it's 38. And we put back the unit of measurement, which is meters square. Whenever time you find an area, it is always the unit square. And so 38, this unshaded portion here is going to be 38. And we can prove it because if this shaded area, all of this is 42, right? It is 42. And if right in here is 38, and right here is 4, 38 and 4 would give us what? 42, right? So when you're finding the shaded area, you have to take away the smaller one from the bigger one, and it will give you the shaded space here. All right, that is how we find it.